2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, fog lights, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, heated front seats, trip computer, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, power moonroof, remote keyless entry. Your new ride is just a phone call away.